Hello! In this video I will be unboxing a 24-piece Canon EOS Rebel SL2 package that I bought off of Amazon. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead, I've already cut it open, but I haven't opened up any of the items here. So in the camera, got a nice thick manual, registration card. We got the camera body itself without a lens on the camera, and it has a little screen that you can flip and turn like that so I could actually see what I'm doing and what the camera's recording. So looks like we have a battery here. We have a battery charger. Here's the lens. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the camera really quick. And kind of see how big the lens adds to the size of the camera. There's also a neck strap in here. It came with this 4-piece filter set. Here, you can kind of read it yourself. Comes in a nice Velcro case. Oh wow, okay, these are bigger than I was imagining, even though I should know what it is. And so, oh yeah, these have different levels of zoom is what it is. So they're 1, 2, 4, and 10. It's a nice little case for the camera. So it has a little handle here, and has a little shoulder strap. It's 3 pockets. Has one on the inside, a little mesh one it looks like. And it has dividers in here with Velcro so they could be moved around and rearranged to your liking, depending on what accessories you end up with. So as your needs change, you can go ahead and reorganize it. Comes with this tripod. It comes with a nice case, folds up small. I'll say it comes with a flash. So the flash can just slide on here if you want, or I believe, you know, I'm actually not sure how that works. So it looks like it comes with a 16 gigabyte. So this goes up to 80 megabytes per second. And this one does 48 megabytes per second. I found the reason that you would want a faster speed of memory, and I found this out the hard way. If you have a camera that's recording at a very high resolution and it's writing data really fast to the card, if it's not fast enough, it won't keep up. It'll fail the recording and you just have to record at a lower resolution. I've found that mostly with like recording in 4K, like with a GoPro. Got a little remote control here, so then I can control if it's going to take a picture or if I want to start recording and stop recording. It looks like a cleaner. Oh yeah, it has a little retractable brush. It's a little spray and brush for helping clean. Tulip style hood for the lens. Oh okay, this one's more like a little rubberized one. It can fold up so it'll be more compact. So you can put that on there and do that if you want to move it out of the way too. That's where the flash would mount, is like on the bottom here where you would put it on a tripod. And then it still has a hole for mounting it onto a tripod anyways. This would mount here, thread it through this little strap thing, I believe, and then you can just hold it with one hand like that. It's a little SD card reader, so you can read in your computer if you don't happen to have a SD card slot. It comes with the mini USB cord. I believe this is a lens of some sort. It's a telephoto lens, an auxiliary lens. You could just screw it onto the outer part of here. This one is a wide angle lens, so it's also an auxiliary lens. This is the digital filter lens kit. This one's a UV filter. This is FLD. I'm not quite sure what that means. And this is a CPL filter. Same thing. I don't know what that means. So I have a little starter kit here. This little miniature tripod. I totally thought this was going to be bigger. I was hoping to get one of those that are like about that tall with the flexible legs, so that'll have to probably be a future purchase. Looks like an SD card holder. That's kind of cool. I believe this is so that you can keep this on the lens cap so that you won't lose it. Cleaning cloth. Universal screen protectors, like some little cotton swabs. Has a little dust blower cleaner thing. And the final item in the box is a travel charger. Oh, okay. This has a foreign country type plug. Oh, and it has a little cigarette lighter adapter, so you really could use it while you're traveling around if you wanted to charge it in your car. Actually, I think this is going to come in handy because I'm going to go on a road trip soon. The box is now empty. And next I'm going to go ahead and charge up the battery and... Okay, here's what the new camera looks like. There's an app for your phone that lets you remotely control both the video and image modes, which can be really handy if you're further away, like working on a project while you're trying to record. After I've had a chance to use the camera and accessories some more, I'll post a follow-up review and the things I've discovered about it. Don't forget I've included an affiliate link to the camera package that I bought off of Amazon in the description if you'd like one yourself. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it or it helped you. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you can be notified about my future videos. Thanks for watching.